Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 metal cutting tools. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is AlgoLaser 10W-DYKIT. Specifications. Brand name, AlgoLaser. Is smart device, yes. App control, support Android, Mac cell phone, iPad. Cutting speed, 20,000 mm per minute high speed. Large work area, 400 by 400 mm, 800 by 850 mm. Laser lifespan, more than 10,000 hours. Software, Laser GRBL, Lightburn, app control. Features, safer, faster, smarter. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, GS. Item number 4 is, new AlgoLaser High Power Mini Laser Engraver. Specifications. Brand name, AlgoLaser. Output power, 10 watts. Machine power, 120 watts. Engraving area, 400 by 400 mm. Laser spot, 0.085 mm x 0.1 mm. Connection, 2.4G Wi-Fi, USB cable, TF card. Model number, AlgoLaser DIY-KIT 10W. System supported, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, web-based. Max engraving speed, 12,000 mm per minute. Movement speed, 20,000 mm per minute. As the item number 3 we've selected, Acmeer P1. Specifications. Brand name, Acmeer. Model number, Acmeer P1. Laser power 20000MW. Engraving size 400x385 mm. Spot size 0.1 mm. Engraving speed 10,000 mm per minute. Electrical requirement 24 volts, 4 amperes DC. Motherboard 32-bit. Engraving method USB, app, online, TF. Software support system Mac, Windows, Linux. Output power 96 watts. Laser wavelength 445 plus 5 nm. Machine size 610 by 590 by 200 mm. Item number 2 is 2 Trees TTS. Specifications. Brand name, Yusongshine. Model number, TTS. Engraving range, 300 by 300 mm. Laser wavelength, 445 plus 5 nm. Engraving accuracy, 0.1 mm. Engraving speed, 10,000 mm per minute. Software support system, Mac, Windows. Machine material, aluminum profile plus plastic parts. Power supply, 12 volts, 4 amperes DC. Control board, LTS ESP32 motherboard, 32-bit. Laser power, 5.5 watts to 10 watts, optional. Input power, 40 watts to 80 watts, optional. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, LaserPecker Laser Engraver Machine. Specifications. Brand name, LaserPecker. Model number, LaserPecker L3. Is smart device, yes. Laser source, 1064 nanometers Nikia. Laser source output power, 1000 megawatts. App connection mode, Bluetooth connection, USB connection. App, LaserPecker brand app. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.